So this code is good until February 28th, 2025. This is the access codes for the NCE for those who like to study through Helwig. So, if you have any questions about how to use these codes, as always, make sure you leave a comment in the description. Well, not the description, but the comment section. And my email is in the description box. So happy studying, and you got this. Yes, I know, I know. I've been wanting to add a CPC for Helwig for a little while now. It's been busy, but I will be adding this hopefully in the next couple of months with the CPCE questions. I know they can be helpful for those who like the addition of Helwig. So, this is a single code with mixed questions for the NCE. So, keep in mind that NCE questions are similar to the CPC questions. NCE has 14 areas, and the CPCE has 18 of those 14 areas from the NCE. So, if you have any questions, please leave me a comment underneath this video. Otherwise, happy studying.